So you want to use flash in your real estate photography, or consider the Flambient, flash ambient style of real estate photography instead of HDR or single shot. Well, this is a quick tutorial to help you out. Hi everyone, I'm Scott Prokop and welcome to this tutorial on how to use flash in real estate photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, learning how to properly use flash can greatly improve the quality of your real estate photos. In this video, we'll go over the basics of flash photography, as well as get you some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your flash. First, let's talk about why flash is important in real estate photography. When shooting interiors, it's common that there's lots of low light levels, which can result in blurry or poorly exposed photos. Using flash can help fill in the shadows and add extra light to the scene, resulting in a clearer and more attractive image. Number two, there are a few different types of flash that you can use in real estate photography. The most common is the built-in flash, which is located on the top of your camera. It is activated by using the flash button. Built-in flashes are generally not very powerful, but they can be used in a pinch. Three, another option is using an external flash, which is the separate unit that can be mounted on your camera or off camera. External flashes tend to be the most powerful, and built-in flashes, they're just not used. The directional light is not very pleasing. Four, when using a flash, it's important to pay attention to the angle in which the light is hitting your subject. If the flash is pointed directly at the subject, it can result in harsh, unflattering light. Instead, try bouncing the flash off a nearby wall or the ceiling to create a more natural look. Another useful technique is to use flash in combination with ambient light. This is called Flambient. This can help add depth and dimension to your images, as well as give you a sense of the overall lighting in the room. This is highly preferred in the real estate photography community, and I suggest you watch other videos for it. In conclusion, using flash in real estate photography can improve your images by filling in the shadows and making it look more natural. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.